Hi, this is Tim from Mag-Torch, and today I want to talk about our Brazing Torch Kit. This kit includes both oxygen and MAP Pro. The dual fuel system allows the torch to get to a much higher temperature, which is ideal for brazing jobs. To start this torch, first you want to turn on the gas. So usually it's just a little bit, just to kind of get it started. So you hear a little bit of gas coming out, but not much. And then ignite, a little too much. A little bit less. You want to make sure just a little bit of gas. There we go. Get a nice yellow flame. Kind of looks like a candle. Now, you want to start to slowly add the oxygen to the flame, and you'll see it immediately start to brighten up when the oxygen starts mixing with the gas. So what you want to do is increase. We got a little bit of pulsation. So there we go. A little bit too much oxygen, so turn it down here. Now increase the oxygen. So it's going to always be a balance. Okay, and if you have a small flame like this, you'll want to increase the gas, increase the oxygen. So this is what you're looking for, is a nice little cone here. So you have this darker blue shape to the flame, that's your secondary flame, and then the primary flame is that little light blue cone. That's where your high temp is. That's what you want to hold on your brazing temp. So the size of this cone right now is relatively small. You can increase it by increasing the fuel and then proportionally increasing the oxygen. So now to shut off the system, shut off the gas first, and then the oxygen. There you go. For more information, please visit us at magtorch.com.